Second question. My life is finally good, but I'm still not happy. I'm 21, female, and my life is, for the first time, is on the right track. On my first great relationship in my life with a man I love, and he loves me back. I hang out with people I like. I have good friends. My grades in college are average, but I'm still passed most of all my classes, and I also have a really great paying job as an after-hours dispatcher. I'm still working and being healthier and exercising, but I will get there. Some people would kill for my life, wouldn't they? So why am I still unhappy? Am I aware that this is great, but I'm constantly looking for problems? I keep on torturing myself, trying to sabotage my work, my relationships, my health. It's like I don't want to be happy. Why can't I just stop whining and enjoy my life? Why does it have to be like this? What's wrong with me? I've been so unhappy for the past 10 years now. I just try to ruin everything because I only know bad. First off, let me tell you something, that you know good. You are good. Again, just like the last question, do not make it seem like you only know bad. You only know bad because you allowed negativity to take over your mind. So you are in a blessed state, but you are tortured inside. That's a concept that some people will never understand. And because it is an interesting paradox that you have everything you want, but also you don't have everything you want. So I really think that you are looking for a challenge out of life. You are in a state where you are not challenged. You're not challenged. So you have no drive. You get good grades. You're basically a normal person, but you have no goals. You have no drive. You're looking for something to give you a kickstart. You're looking for something to give you a little bit more drive. So I think because a lot of people in life is that whenever they fall, they have a pillow. In our society, a lot of people are comfortable right now, which is good. I'm not saying that everybody needs to be uncomfortable to survive. This is probably one of the best states humanity has been in for a very long time. But whenever you fall in life, you have a pillow that braces your fall. To say it's okay, then try again. It's not that big of a deal. What do you have to lose? Try again. What you need to do is take that pillow away. What you need to do is allow yourself to do something uncomfortable and completely faceplant on the concrete. Feel uncomfortable, get up, brush yourself off, and just do it over again. You might fall again. In life, you might lose 1,000 times. But if you have a pillow bracing your fall every single time, you're not going to really truly feel how it feels to really get hurt out there. And it's interesting. It's a give and take because sometimes the pillow is necessary. But in your circumstance, if you want to get more out of life, you have to take the pillow away and really scrape your ankles. You have to get hurt. You're not getting hurt in life. So you constantly feel like you're not doing enough. You have no goals because you got this ankle brace on. You got these crutches that are always there for you. Take those away. The best thing I can tell you to do is run. Start running, because when somebody runs, it really shows, to me at least, how tough mentally they really are. Because most people, they can run a lot longer than they think. It's just that their brain gets in the way and they stop. And running is something that 99% of anybody can do, everybody can do. So you need to find something that makes you uncomfortable. You need to find a goal that makes you feel uncomfortable and have no pillow, nothing to brace your fall, and do it. You might succeed or you might fail. That's what makes life interesting. If you know you're gonna win every single time, or somebody's gonna be there to say, I love you, you did great anyway, life ain't interesting. You might need to get booed off stage. You might need somebody to tell you that you suck. You might need somebody to tell you that. Somebody to bring you back down to reality. Reality is two sides. There's positivity and negativity, and there's negativity and positivity. But if you have positive, if you're getting coddled and coddled your whole life, you're never going to get anywhere. You're never going to get anywhere. So you have to take the pillow away. Get uncomfortable with life. And I'm telling you, once you scrape your knees enough, once you fail and you start to win, you start to get that craving. You have no engine inside of you. That's the thing. Your engine is filled with fluff. You're a well-oiled machine in comfort. Let me take you out of comfort. Let me see what you're really made of. And that's the thing that gives you that drive, that willingness to do something. So go find something that you don't want to do, you're genuinely afraid of doing, and go do it with no help. Now, what I mean is that if you're doing something dangerous, of course you need help. I'm talking about if you want to do karaoke or something. Go ahead and do it with no friends, nobody, but it's just you up there. You might suck, but hey, it gets your heart beating. That's the thing. Get your heart beating a little bit faster than it normally does, because you're scared of failing. You might be doing something that you are accustomed to doing. And taking a test. I know how to pass a test. Go do something that you don't know how to do in front of a crowd, in front of people, and realize you just gotta get that heart beating. Just get your engine going. That's how you can find your thrill back in life. It does not happen in comfort. It does not happen in comfort. It happens when you actually work for something and you fail at it. Failure is necessary in order to grow. If I kept giving you award trophies, you would never strive to do anything great in life. You were going to fail. But you got to be able to love the failure and learn from it and grow from it. That's how you win. So my best advice to you is, you're doing good in life. Do not do something that's going to injure yourself, but get uncomfortable. Go out there and create something special. That's how you find thrill in life. That's how you have an interesting life. Take away the pillow and let me see who you really are. So